Well, here is the little heater. Real simple. You've got your speeds, and yes, it can be just a fan, low. I think that's 750 watts, and then 1500 watts. You've got your temperature control to turn it down or turn it up, and it's really not that tall. Um, Show you where the outlet is right there. And we also have one in the bedroom that we keep probably right at that level, and it keeps our bedroom nice and warm at night. As a matter of fact, there's been a few times we've had to shut it off at night, but right there, heats right around 950 feet to a comfortable temperature. uh, I'm not wearing a jacket or a coat or anything. But the reason we got this little jewel of a heater, we got two of them actually, is because our baseboard heaters were literally, um, I think, tripling our electric bill. Using the 110 little heaters, uh, this actually heats the, the kitchen area and where I've got my computers and so forth, and our living room. So it keeps everything nice and comfortable. And of course, I would highly recommend this little heater. And I'll put my hand next to it. I'm an average sized guy, so it's only about a hand high in size, maybe a little over, about 7 8 inches tall, but works really well. Keeps the house comfortable. Hope you enjoyed it, and I highly recommend the product. Oh, for safety, it shuts off if it's tilted. So, good to know, and it's a comfortable heater.